Hello children. So today we are going to start next questions, and in the previous video you have studied till question number 6. Understand? So on the screen you are seeing one number is 3 times of the other number, means there are two numbers. If 15 is added to both number, means we will add 15 to both number. Then one number becomes the twice. Twice means just double. Twice means double of the other number. Then find the numbers. Okay. So for solution, we will write let, because let means we are supposing we don't have we don't know the numbers. Let one number equals to x, then one number is 3 times to other number. Okay. Other number equal to 3x. Okay. And according to question, if 15 is added to both number, means we will add to both number 15. So here you can write adding 15 to both number. Then numbers are x plus 15 and 3x plus 15. Okay, after adding 15 to both numbers, so x will become x plus 15 and 3x become 3x plus 15. But the condition will change. The one number becomes the twice of the other number. First, the one number becomes the twice of the other number. So here we will write x plus 15. All the question like this you will solve like this. Okay, in the last condition you have to equalize them and use the condition. Twice means just double. So we will use the double here. Okay, we will multiply the double. 2 multiplied by x, 2x, and 15 to the 30. 3x plus 15. This is variable and this is variable. So we will send 2x to this right side and 15 to left side. Okay. So here 30 minus 15, because the 15 is positive here. So it will other side come to become negative. And other side 3x minus 2x, 15 equals to x. Okay. So one number equals to x equals to value of x is equal to 15 and other number equals to x plus 3x. This is so 15 multiplied by x, because 3 is multiplied in x. 15 3 is 45. So this is our answer. 15 and 45 will be the right numbers. Hello children. You are seeing the next question on the screen. Priya is 5 times older than her daughter, Rita. 5 years ago, Priya was 9 times older than her daughter, Rita. So find their present age. Okay. We don't know the actual age, so we will suppose Rita's age is x years, because Priya's age is 5 times to her daughter. So firstly we will suppose the Rita's age, and then Priya's age is 5 times. So we will multiply 5 into x. Okay. 5 years ago means 5 years before. And as you know, we will go to up of your back to our ages. Then our age is less. Suppose that you are 15 years. And if I ask 5 years before, what is your actual age? Then you will subtract minus 5. Okay. So from 15 minus 5, now you are, before 5 years, you are 10 years. So we will remove, we will subtract the minus 5. Rita's age x minus 5 years and Priya's age 5x minus 5 years, because 5 years ago it is the condition. So write in equation form, x minus 5 equals to 5x minus 5. And Priya was 9 times older than her Rita. Priya was 9 times older than her Rita. And here we are using the equal sign. Understand? So if we want to equal this condition, then we have to multiply opposite. We have to multiply in Rita's age. Then the condition will be equal. Okay? So 9x minus 9 5 ja 45. Here 5x minus 5. We will send the 5x to right left side and 45 to right side. 9x minus 5x equals to 45. And go to other side will become positive, and minus 5. There is 4x equal to 40. Hence x equal to 40 divided by 4. The answer is 10. So x equal to 10. Hence Rita's age equal to x equal to 10 years. And Priya's age equal to 5x means 5 into 10 equals to 50 years. This is your answer. Question number 9. And the question number 10 you will solve yourself. The present age of Nakul's mother is 3 times of the age of Nakul. Means Nakul ki age se 3 times her mother's age. Okay. So firstly we will suppose Nakul's age, that is x year. Let, and his mother's age is 3x year, means 3 times of the Nakul's age according to statement. After 5 years, so we will find the age after 5 years. After means the age which is after 5 years happened. Yeah, will be your age will be after 5 years. So we will add them. So Nakul's age x year before, now x plus 5 after 5 years, and her mother's age 3x plus 5 years. In the before condition we will subtract the years, and in the after condition we will add the years. Okay, remember this thing. So now, and this 5 years, their age will add to, means we will add their ages. X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equals to 66 years. So we will add x and 3x, that will become 4x. And 5 and 5 equals 10. We will transfer 10 to that side. 66 minus 10, that is 56. Hence x is equal to, this 4 will go other side in dividing condition, and 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. The value of x will come to 40. Okay. Hence Nakul's age equals to x year, means x means 14. His mother's age equals to 3x, means 14 multiplied by 3. It will give 42 years. So this and this is your answers. I hope you understand. Question number 11 and 12 are same. So I am solving 12, 11 you will solve yourself. present age of Anu and Renu are in the ratio 4:5. Okay. 8 years from now, 8 years from now means 8 years later or after. The ratio of their age will be 5:6 to find their ages. So we only know the ratio of their present age. So ratio of Anu and Renu is 4:5. So we will suppose we will remove the ratio and use the x. So the age is 4x years. And Renu's age is 5x years. Okay. 8 years from now means 8 years after. And after we will add the years. So Anu's age is 4x plus 8. And Renu's age is 5x plus 8. Then find their ages will be 5:6. So we will 5:6 means we will write them 5:6 like 5/6. So we will also write these ages according to that. Means 4x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8. Cross multiply we will do like this. 6 4 ja 24x plus 6 8 ja 48. Here 5 5 ja 25x plus 5 8 ja 40. We will send the 24 to 25 right side because 25 is greater, and 40 to left side because here 48 is greater. So the condition will be 48 minus 40 and 25x minus 24x. Hence here is 8x. Matlab means x is equal to 8. According to condition, Anu's present age is Anu's age equals to 4x. Means 4x, value of x is 8. That is 4 into 32 years. Okay. Renu's age equals to 5x year. 5x means 5 multiplied by 8. 5 8 ja 40 year. So these are the answer.